everyone, this is me Prachi. As you know that today is our discussion day and our topic is should CCTV camera be installed in the classroom or not? So I want to say that CCTV cameras should be installed in the classroom. So the first question is what is CCTV camera? Closed circuit television. It's a type of television system which is using in the inside the buildings. For example, a shop. You can take an example of a shop. In the CCTV, by the help of CCTV camera, you can see inside the shop at night. It helps to prevent from cyberbullying, from crimes and all. Similarly, in the classroom, if students do misbehave with teachers, misbehave with students, so the CCTV camera will play a pivotal role for prevent that bad things, bad vulgar using words. And if you're talking about, as you know that government school teachers, they do not teach to the students in proper way. They use their mobile, they use social media, even they spend too much time on social media. Even they should be teach to the student, but they don't teach to the students.
Right.
It's a work of teachers, but they do not teach
Because they are permanent teachers.
they are permanent teacher. They know that
They do
know
not
that.
have the fear.
They do not have the fear. If there would be CCTV camera, so they will fear too much. If I will not teach to the students, so there's a too much chances of fire of me from the schools.
As per my view, CCTV camera is installed in the classrooms because you know that nowadays teachers also teach 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 not students, and they are
They are not teaching on the proper way.
they are not teaching the proper way, and they are talking with each other beside the camera. But CCTV camera is here, so they are not talking with each other.
Yeah,
And
they would
even-
have the discipline.
they would have the discipline, and safety is here because if student stole my things, and also we've seen the CCTV camera. But
Hello everyone, this is Miss Sumit, and now I am going to discuss about a very popular question of India, which is should CCTV cameras be installed in classrooms or not? So I would like to go against of this topic because there are some reasons which makes it a dislikable decision of students.
Right.
So, as you know, the biggest problem of student is hesitation, and the CCTV cameras make the students hesitate. If the children will see that the cameras are in front of them, then their belief from themselves will be decreased, and they will think that someone is monitoring us.
If there will be CCTV camera in the classroom, at least they will try to speak so with the student who doesn't speak in the class, who feel very fear, who feel very hesitation. If they will speak, their hesitation level will decrease. They will try to speak in front of everyone. If they will not speak now, then they will have to face so many problems in the future, because as you know that there is a competition too much nowadays.
So that's why I am saying that the CCTV.
As for my view, we should be CCTV camera in classroom. So I think CCTV camera allowed in classroom because the students are fighting in a
And safety of girls, it's also important.
and the teacher are not well teaches our students, and students are abusing word in
Yeah,
classroom.
they will be in the discipline.
They will not discipline in the classroom, and
When they are not in the discipline, they will have the fear. So they will have to be in discipline.
As you know about Sumit, great students, they break chalks, they break tags, and
Yeah,
they break fans,
Yes.
especially fans. So if there would be CCTV camera, so they will be feared. They will not never do it this kind
Like
of
they will not do the bad activities.
bad activity.
But don't you think that CCTV camera will be hindrance to creativity?
Good.
Like sometimes the teacher wants teach the students. in
Sometime
different
the student they do the comedy when
Yeah.
nobody is there, so it
Yeah.
means what they are creating something.
Yeah, like-
So they will not do in front of the camera this kind of things.
Yeah.
And each and everybody open with
That's
each.
good, Bhaiya. That's good because they are not at their home. They are in the school. They can't do this kind of activity. They don't have right to this kind of things.
I can understand you, but you should give them freedom.
Yeah,
Yeah.
freedom. I accept that. Do bad. No, do things in the limitations, not too much.
So
Because
the
you are
CC
not at your home. You
Because-
can't do.
So the CCTV camera is snatching our one right, like the
Which?
right to freedom. We will not be able to do of our choice. So
Sumit, it doesn't mean that they are snatching your right to freedom. The CCTV camera is not stopping you like go out, you can't go outside, you can't do your work properly. CCTV means that the students and the teacher will discipline, they will
Focus
live in
on
discipline, they will focus on
Even that they will
education.
not use their cell phone or mobile phone, you can
Cell
say.
phones or mobile phones, they will not use social media. So
No, no,
it doesn't mean
Some
that.
of the government teachers they also smoke in the staff room. If
Yeah,
you don't
they-
know, I'm telling you.
yeah,
You know, students all time